Hi there, students. Dock, dock, docks plural, as a verb to dock. So, how many meanings do you know for dock? Well, I'm going to give you 4, but I bet you probably only really know 1. So, the dock. A dock, this is the place where you park a ship. There was a container ship in the dock and they were unloading the container ship. The crowds went to wave the soldiers off at the dock as they got onto the ship. There were passengers standing on the dock waiting to board the ship. So to dock, the liner is in dock for a refit. Okay, so the ship was in dock, the docks, Dover Eastern Docks. Then we have dock, the place in a court where the defendant stands. So to be in the dock, the place in a criminal court where the accused sits or stands during the trial. So he seemed very nervous as he left the dock and stepped up to the witness box. To be in the dock, to be on trial, the company will be in the dock if they continue to ignore the legislation. Would the prisoner in the dock please stand up? So it's like this enclosure for the accused. Yeah, you'll have the judge, you'll have the jury, you'll have the audience, and then the prisoner in the dock. Okay, dock, a type of plant. A plant that's got big, wide leaves. I remember dock leaves when I was a kid, and dock leaves are good if you get stung by stinging nettles. If you get stung by a stinging nettle, you have to find a dock leaf. Normally it's a big wide leaf, and you rub it on where you've been stung by the stinging nettles, and it's pretty good for curing it. Dock, as in burdock. It's from dock is any plant of the genus Rumex. It's a weedy plant with big leaves and green flowers. Then, dock. The tail of an animal is called the dock. The fleshy part of the animal's tail is the dock, but most commonly we use this as a verb, to dock, to cut off. So farmers often dock lambs' tails for reasons of hygiene. Docking horses' tails used to be in fashion, but we very often use this for wages, to have your wages docked. They docked his wages. They took money away from his wages to remove part of them. As a punishment, the army docked his pay by 20%. Okay, so to dock, to reduce, to take away. The company docked its employees for unauthorized absences, to deduct or withhold part of somebody's wages or salary. So to dock. So the docks where you park your ship, the dock where the prisoner stands, a dock leaf to rub on the nettle rash, and to dock, to take money away from a salary or a payment. Notice the docks where you park a ship. You could also have a dry dock where you repair a ship, or even in a warehouse has a loading dock where you drive your truck or your lorry to the loading dock, and it's at the right height and you can unload directly. So to dock, a place, a platform, a wharf for loading and unloading, or a wooden pier for mooring boats. You could have a docking station where you put a smartphone or a digital camera or an old-fashioned telephone to charge it, to connect it to the power supply or to connect it to another electronic device. Okay, so to dock, to cut off part of the salary of something, to dock someone's wages, a deduction. He was docked for being, his wages were docked for being late. To dock, to remove part of the tail. A dock leaf, burdock, for nettles. The dock, the place where the prisoner stands and sits during a trial. So dock, all of these seem to have different origins. I think the place for the ships comes from Proto-Germanic duco, a water dock, a place where you can pull boats up on the mud. Okay, the tail, or to dock the tail, Proto-Germanic duco, power, strength. To dock, to cut off with the same origin. So anyway, to dock, let's see. The docks, where you with the ship, 5 informality. To dock somebody's wages, 5 informality. A dock leaf, 5 informality. Standing in the dock, 5 informality again. So use them anywhere. So dock. Bye for now.